Hello, in front of me I've got Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. In this video I'll show you how to claim Ubisoft Connect rewards. In the beginning, in the game, let's go to menu and go to character. Enter pouch and find rewards. In mail, we've got all our rewards. To select them, to claim them, select them and tap claim. They will be available in your menu from now. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.